Here's a quick tip for people today. This is a Porsche 955 Cayenne from a 2006 Cayenne. This one's from a 2008, 26 to 2010, or sorry, 23 to 2010 are all going to be the same, and this is the rear cup holder. Problem with rear cup holders, they don't pop out. See this little arm back here? This moves up and down. When you push in, this one is supposed to move. They're supposed to move this way to release. So it's supposed to move to the, if you're looking at it from the back, it's supposed to move to the right to release. All you have to really do is lube this thing up so that it continues to release. Now the other thing is getting it out. How do I, if my cup holder's broken, how do I get it out of the rear center console? Do I have to pull the whole thing apart? No, you do not. It's held in with two tabs. So we're looking at this from above. Cup holder is out. Take your cup holder with two hands, pull it up toward you. See, that's being pulled up, and pull out at the same time. So I'm going to try and pull up and out. There's two little spring clips holding it in, upward and out. It sounds like hell doing it. It might be easier to do this way. So I'm pulling up on it and pushing back. There we go. These two spring clips right here, there's one on either side. Those two metal spring clips hold it in. So when you push it in, they clip in. To pull it out, you're going to pull up on it. It will release some of the spring tension, and then you pull outward. So up, and I'm pushing back with my thumbs on the console. And again, it makes all kinds of nasty old plastic noises. But that is it, and this whole thing will slide out and can be replaced. That is it. If you want to remove the, if you're getting a used one from a wrecking yard or something, say mine's the gray interior, this is beige. So I'm just going to be painting this beige because I do not have a gray cover for mine. This one simply snaps off on the back. These little tabs pull out. They should just pop straight out. I hope. I was just looking at it, and that's what it looked like to me. Pull up on this. This one's got a little black tab holding it down there. It might not be as easy. So once you pull this off and out, you should be able to snap your old one, your new one, your old one onto your new one. But this little tab right there, there's a little finger under there, seems to be keeping this from coming out. You should be able to pull up on this and pop this out. Because these are two distinctly different pieces of plastic. I don't believe they're glued. But you'll probably have to glue your new one on there if you're changing color. Anyway, that's it for the cup holder. Rear seat cup holder. So your vents are up here, your ashtray lighter down here. This is the rear vent cup holder, or the rear seat cup holder. Thanks for watching.